You know, many of us have been there. You buy a set of solar pathway lights, stick them in the ground, and by 8 p.m. they're already dead. It's a big disappointment. Well, today we're going to completely fix the problem by giving you the easiest spring makeover you've ever had. I have the Linkind SP6 solar pathway lights right here, and they are about to change exactly what you think is possible without running a single wire. This garden transformation is about to be incredible. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. The light units, lampshades, plastic extension rods, ground stakes, and the user manual. But the coolest part is the interchangeable lens kit. Each light comes with 5 different lenses: ripple, concentric, radial, circular, and lozenge that literally bend the light into crisp geometric patterns on your pathway. Right out of the box, you can feel these aren't your typical cheap disposable solar lights. The main body is made from high-impact ABS plastic, and the top features a premium 1.8-watt monocrystalline solar panel. Now, if you didn't know, monocrystalline solar panels are made from a single continuous crystal structure of silicon, which makes them more efficient at converting sunlight into electricity compared to other solar panel types. This higher efficiency means that they can generate more power in the same amount of space, which is why they're often found in premium solar products where compact size and maximum performance are essential. There's also a hidden USB-C port under a rubber flap that's completely weather sealed. Linkind actually recommends charging the lights fully before your first use, either by placing them in direct sunlight for 48 hours or plugging them in for 2 hours via the USB-C port to guarantee maximum brightness on night 1. Here's a couple pro tips. If you live in the South like I do and have really thick red clay under the grass in your yard, it's going to be impossible to drive these plastic light posts through that clay, especially by hand. Go ahead and pick yourself up a rubber mallet like this. I grabbed mine from Lowe's for around 10 bucks, and trust me, it's going to save you a major headache. Also, if you want a classic unpatterned glow, you can simply choose to leave all of the lenses off entirely or take one out and then use that spot. There's no trenching, no expensive transformers, and no complicated hubs. Now, once installed and fully charged, they output 60 lumens of light, which is absolutely perfect for accenting your yard without making it look like a brightly lit parking lot. Now, if you can, Linkind recommends spacing them about 7 feet apart so the ground patterns don't blur into each other. However, if you're like me and are a bit limited on your space, using fewer lights and getting them as close to the ground as possible works just as good. You can tune the white light from a super warm, cozy 2700 Kelvin all the way up to a bright daylight 6500 Kelvin to match your other house lights. Or if you're feeling adventurous, you can dive into 16 million different colors and 43 dynamic presets. Here's a quick example of a few of my favorite ones that I've found so far. The lights also feature automated dusk-to-dawn scheduling, meaning that they'll turn on automatically when the sun goes down and shut off at sunrise, making them completely hands-free. They even have a music sync feature that uses your phone's microphone to pulse the lights exactly to the beat of your favorite songs. Now let's talk about why these lights actually survive through the night when others fail. It all comes down to smart solar technology and something called MPPT. MPPT stands for maximum power point tracking. Think of a traditional solar light like a bicycle stuck in one gear. On flat, perfectly sunny road, it works fine. But if you hit a hill, like a cloudy day or a shady spot in your yard, you lose momentum and stop. MPPT acts like an intelligent automatic transmission in a car. As the sun shifts or clouds roll in, it constantly shifts gears internally, adjusting the voltage and current to pull the absolute maximum power possible from the sun. This gives you up to 30% more energy and up to 14 hours of continuous light, completely crushing standard solar lights. MPPT works in tandem with Linkind's solar dot technology, which is so sensitive it can actually charge the battery in incredibly low light conditions, even on heavily overcast days. I've been using these lights for over 2 weeks now, and despite having several cloudy and stormy days, because this is Florida after all, I've never had to go out, remove them from the ground, and manually charge them. I also haven't noticed a drop in brightness, and according to the app, the lights are getting more than enough sun to keep the charge where it needs to be for maximum output. Now, when it comes to wireless connection and control, control. Unlike standard Wi-Fi lights that completely lose connection the minute you walk away from your router, the SP6 uses a hub-free Bluetooth mesh network. Your phone tells the closest light what to do, and that light instantly relays the message down the entire pathway to the next one. This technology and process creates a self-healing chain where you can connect up to 96 devices flawlessly without a Wi-Fi hub. For large-scale landscape customization, you can even manage up to 8 different groups of 32 lights each, and they automatically sync together to ensure your light shows remain perfectly consistent, and whenever you switch scenes, it happens seamlessly. Now, you might be wondering if these lights can survive the weather. Living right here in Florida, I know firsthand how brutal the elements can be. We deal with oppressive humidity for over 6 months of the year, closer to 8, intense heat from direct sunlight, and torrential summer thunderstorms, not to mention hurricanes and the occasional swamp puppy. While the lights are no match for a 300-pound oversized lizard, they are resilient to extreme weather conditions. This is due to their IP67 rating and the high-impact ABS plastic construction I mentioned in the beginning. This keeps the lights completely sealed and protected, so you shouldn't have anything to worry about. Since installing them, they've been through probably about 4 or 5 storms. The lights remain in the ground and unharmed, and if anything, the rain actually helped clean off the pollen, ensuring the solar panels were ready to go once the rain subsided. Of course, in serious weather conditions like a hurricane or tropical storm, it would be best to go out and pull them up. But for everyday Florida weather, these lights are built like tanks. They've even held up well to being bumped or accidentally clipped by the lawn service when they weed eat. This is something that I was really worried about, but to my surprise, they're just fine. Now, personally, I really like these lights. They added something to my small yard that I didn't know was missing. They're great for improving visibility at night, but also adding a classy aesthetic. Or if you have a kid, something so crazy and over the top that your neighbors might think that you're throwing a rave. Trust me. Do not let your son play with your phone if you have these lights. I love the effortless setup and the daily ease of use. They just work perfectly and took no time to get up and running. I'm honestly excited to try them out later this year with our Halloween and Christmas decorations to see how we can tie everything together, especially when paired with our permanent outdoor lights. But I mean, beyond special occasions and the aesthetic purposes, or even the practical purposes like improving visibility, they're also really useful for helping people identify your home at night, like DoorDash drivers and Uber drivers. Or if you have friends or family coming over at night that have never been to your home, you can set the lights up to do a crazy color and then tell those people to look for the home with this color lights. Okay, so let's wrap this up. In my opinion, if you want smart, reliable, wire-free landscape lighting that actually lasts all night and makes your yard look amazing, the Linkind SP6 is a great choice. Depending on the pack size, they offer tremendous value, and you can pick them up right now on Amazon or directly through the official Linkind website. I put links in the description and pinned comment so you can easily find them. If they happen to send over any discount codes, I'll be sure to add them there as well. Now, for you guys, let me know what you think about these lights in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more smart home videos and upgrades just like this. Outside of that, I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.